Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a DIY to share with you guys. It's a super simple, super easy, very quick, inexpensive DIY. The items you're going to need for this DIY are some Mod Podge. I have the gloss one. Any one of your choosing will work. You need a sponge brush. You need some kind of decorative paper, like scrapbooking paper that you can find in the craft aisle. You can use any paper you want, anything of your personal preference. This is the one that I'm choosing to use. I love this print. A letter. Any letter you choose. My name is Abby, so I am going to be using an A today. You're also going to need a pen. You're also going to need some scissors. Let's get started. Now, because you don't want pen marks on your beautiful print, you're going to want to start this off by flipping your paper over. You're going to take your letter here. Do mine like this, and I'm going to trace it. After you've traced your letter, now you need to cut it out. Now I have my paper cut out into an A. Once again, use any letter you personally need to use, and then, just measure it on your letter, make sure it fits. This step is so you know where you need to maybe trim some off, or I'm going to take my paper, set it to the side. I'm going to bring in a random piece of paper, put my A on it, and then we're going to take our Mod Podge and we're going to put a pretty generous amount, or a really good layer, using our sponge too, and really coat that well. After you have your Mod Podge on there, and I put a pretty generous amount on there, like I said, a really good thick layer. This will take a minute to dry, but that's okay. You're going to have to take this in steps and let it dry anyways. But I want my paper to really stick and adhere to the letter, because at the end of the day, you're going to put this on your desk, you're going to put it on a shelf, you're going to put it on your wall, whatever, for decoration, and you want it to hold up. And line up my paper and press that in there. Try to get out any kind of bubbles or creases that the paper might have. You're going to give this a little bit of time to dry, set up, and then we'll move on to our next step. After your letters had a bit of time to dry, next you're just going to want to take another layer and seal in the letter. Or you could just leave it like this, honestly. I mean, that's just up to you. I'm going to seal mine, so I'm just going to do a thin layer. Well, the only thing left to do now is let it dry, and it's completely done. See, I told you this DIY was super simple yet pretty awesome decor. I'm going to use this for my makeup area, or I may decide to actually hang it on the wall. I'm not entirely sure, but if you like this, you can also use them to decorate multiple places in your home. And I just think they're fun and easy, quick DIY that anybody at home can do. Yes, like I said, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you'll let me know in the comments below if you're going to try this out for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more DIYs. Check that description box for a ton of different links to a ton of other different content from me. Subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already.